Point one, we bring on the best. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
The holding is and then Molana also because of match. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at a Gini Posua.
Na miniano mema menana no na yeno mozungu omunkai se ye bibia this ahabaya kan o remember pass anaji guru mi wafa anaji guru mi papa embo no ndi pamcho omuba omuntia o de place no o be fe omu e che omuka o omuji wini mbono.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come go and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omutino, high horse hono, baby omutino brofaka se no mo kaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yen kamasem, ukamasem umwadi, yen criticizing me, criticizing me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay any matemo. What do you mean team kakakati say house of folk? Abay young criticize you. I don't hear me. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Go criticize you. So we be. And criticism, we are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Right, Okoman 97 do one braso se yede agudemu ensemo a yaboaboa no ereba bedan yetie for ene yahwe for ene being the 15th of December 2022, the year of our loss. Na ejese bibia no eye kama pa yasanso ada sorry ye beda obade enso asese ne yasanso ababe hyiemu enso ewa hansem wa yeboboa no efri oman konkron Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu ana yede eba betan as agudiemu ensem a yatu ni din Okoman Global Sports the afternoon edition ana asabi no yede eba nsem no doso pa nsem dodo na yede ni nyina enso eba ewa ha odwane enso our Facebook yen social media platforms no so no dwumedi no enso eguso a ene no etwegu Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso na YouTube enso Okoman Radio 971 o join ya na ene no wetumi a share a like a subscribe to the channel no na nyoma nso no etumi akonkan ye ne ye ba be hwe nsem ni pi FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 yeguso a ye deba hot oven ofla Okoman yenko Qatar yetemu a sesei aka 2 matches pe na yewie entene ene ochena da nyina no ye wo holidays ya suspend kakra ene ye ho holiday Saturday enso ene Sunday ana ye bebo third round ene the fourth round no chese quarter and I say teams are one more to me about the third and fourth place sanso ana first and runners up no one more to me about entimemeda yebenya Morocco womonso ene Croatia ebetumi apre third and fourth, that is bronze medal no de obetumi awini no ebetumi abaso na golden medal no enso kwesiada ana ebetumi abaso Argentina enso ene France the defending champions ana ebetumi akonkan enso de akensi ne tumi ahyehye so elho enti yi ana ye ba behwe ehonsem ye ba nya ba behwe oman konkron Ghana ensem nso a ekoso ewofie ensem a ekoso ewofie edwada da yenimu ya on the 19th of December 2022 na Bet Power Ghana Premier League match day 9 na ye sha se ye resume post a new World Cup no and also able to me asha se na venues outdoor ye betisi akan ni nyina how ready and as various centers no so no etumi aye dey twen the return of the Bet Power Ghana Premier League ba behwe ehonsem teams wo preparations wo nso ahead of the resumption of the Ghana Premier League yedi nyina enso eba na yahwehwe mu kakra ensemwa eba enso echese Karela United eni honorable member edema the new National Democratic NDC na eden National Democratic Congress okay yes NDC womo ura mrashebedwefia minority leader Haruna Idrisu enei watebri sikapa ehwenim se Karela United ono so bibia tochima official communique ni betumi aba abonten ba so far the ebo ba so panino so no ana team no aba be si ni sere so as bank ruler ono so eba be Ghana Premier League club side you from Karela United Ghana Premier League na eba be sha se no Accra Sports Stadium the nation's Wembley the state of the stadium no and also ehonsem ye beba be kan and teams ni bi game ba kwa na ebe ba so edwada no ya postpone the game no enya ade betumi aba so Accra Lions game no enya ade betumi aba so eho ye de akwa kopiemu enso ewo Soga Kope Wafa womo akache eho na game no ebetumi akoso due to the bad nature of the Accra Sports Stadium enye available due to enyuma wodo a ebetumi akokoso nyina ni nyina eye nsem a enenu yede ni nyina enso ede eba na ene kakra and also account executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson pa for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK Ajwa Opoku Sansoana Paradise solo etim and a free and so ewomu DJ Zigipi and so eboa ama social media platforms no so no dwumedi no etumi etwiegu na DJ Vibes and so a producer or tutu nyoma ama nyoma etumi akonkan mitem Edama AK as your host Krobea Asante yabeko na yaka akohwe ensem kakra and also ekoso so far World Cup no yabwa ba be vrimu aka grand finale no na yede ho nsem ni nyina enso etumi ede aba na yekono yenhwe se dia World Cup no so far and also enyoma enso esi eko yabo 62 matches out of the total 64 yebetumi abono 64 no and I say 62 ayabo so far no yetumi a recorded 163 goals and yetumi abo elho average ni na chese game bia no yenya 2.63 goals no ana yetumi eba in every game and also etumi eba na akohwe players womo etumi ahye 2 goals so far yenya 18 braces ana yenga etumi nya say game bia no player bi ehye 2 goals no 18 ana yenga players no Julian Alvarez no mo Bruno Fernandes, Olivier Giroud, Kai Havertz, so ana Andrei Kramaric, Mohamed Kudus of Ghana and the Kylian Mbappe, Lortin, Marcus Rashford, Richarlison, womu nyina eka players edu enwa chair womu etumi ahye 2 goals nso no tournament no enso Arsenal so far ohwe total hat-tricks etumi abaye ba kope total hat-tricks no enso ba kope Portuguese young sensation Abrante friend Kongalo Ramos ono na wetumi ahye hat-trick ba ko eno so ode agi ni din ho no mo uremu penalties so far enso etumi aba tournament ni mu no 20 and 14 of them and so far yetumi ahye enso ho na Abrante wa share penalties do pa enso tournament we ase no Abrante friend Lionel Andre Messi Leo Kuchitini wetumi ahye 3 penalties and ono nso etumi ahye ono nso ede ho penalty miss no 6 players a womo etumi ahye penalty nso no Andre Morgan Ayew of Ghana, Alphonso Davies of Canada, Hurricane England, and Robert Lewandowski of Poland, Lionel Andre Messi womo nyina players womo nso etumi ahye penalties nso yete ho nsem nyina enso ede ba enti eno nso eno enti Andre Morgan Ayew. Yes, or no Andre Morgan Ayew. And I'll pay the din. My father didn't buy Andre Morgan Ayew. Or no, I also to me as a penalty. I'm a no to me a conquer teams one more to me as she goes to the door pa and so A2 England and France. One more to me I recorded 13 goals each and I one more to me as so far. But France there Ugusoa tournament in moi or Kakobo France Argentina and so our finals no England there one more to me a Kufia and your man so and konka pe teams a womo baya womo mode bo konka womo ntumi anhye goals kura fewer goals scored no enso Tunisia she 1 goal pe ano anei ono so ede ekwa yede ahonsem ne ba ono so ene kata no munyina ehye 1-1 goal womo enso ekofie ewo hono na so far top scorers chart no uhwemu Abrante friend Lionel Messi 5 goals 3 assists and na Kylian Mbappe Lortin 5 goals with 2 assists and Olivier Giroud and Julian Alvarez womu nyina ekuta mano 9 4 goals ana womu nyina enso etumi ahye hono na assist no Bruno Fernandes 3 okofie Antoine Griezmann enso 3 oguso ewom Lionel Messi womu nyina 3 womu eguso tournament ni mama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan most wins upeti ma washe goals do pa dia and as we winning matches do pa dia France 5 straight wins and wo mo so etumi enya honoma ye de ehonsem ni nyina eba teams a wo mo etumi winning game kra na wo mo ekofie no Canada, Denmark, Qatar, Serbia and Wales womo entumi winning game bia enso ehwa womo ekofie most losses teams a womo lose do na Canada ne Qatar womo lose 3 matches ni nyina womo so ebe boy in the group stages no ana womo so ede ekoye hono na so far obehwe man of the match award na players a womo modern bo akonkan pa Lionel Andre Messi Leo wetumi winning pre 9 man of the matches and on so to me against Mexico otumi winning player of the match so na Australia, Netherlands and Croatia ni nyina mu Abrante no etumi abo no home modern followed by Kylian Mbappe Latina on so etumi winning premier so Australia, Denmark, Poland we need teams are Kylian Mbappe and so etumi winning man of the matches award no and so the koye na most clean sheet no uhwe goalkeepers a wo keep clean sheet pa Yassine Bono of Morocco wetumi keep 3 against Croatia, Spain and Portugal and otumi Samson Abrante friend no Emiliano Martinez osi akadema Argentina ono so etumi keep 3 against Mexico, Poland and Croatia and ono so etumi Sejumano Jordan Pickford ono so miensa na momu no okofie entino eno so enoma etumi konkan kama enso ede emma womo win players outdoor womo so individually womo so etumi abo home the top 10 highest attendance ohwe matches ayan abon nyina dia eneno supporters and as spectators fans akwa mu enso the various centers pa no Argentina versus Mexico yenya 88,966 spectators womo ekwa mu enso eno na the highest sanso ana Argentina versus Croatia and also 88,966 matches Argentina womo matches womo abonyina womo ana ne womo top third no no Portugal and Uruguay game no yenya 88,668 ana ene no wɔn nso etumi ɛkɔhwɛ ana lowest attendance no wohwɛ game a tournament yasi nyinaa amanfo ankɔhwɛ ne mfa obi biara ho a ɛyɛ Cameroon ɛnso ɛne Switzerland 39,000 per Accra Sports Stadium population ana nei wɔn nso etumi ɛkɔbɔ wɔn ani akɔ a wɔn ɛhwɛ saa game no ama nneɛma nso no etumi ɛkɔ nkan ɛhɔ Gianluca Vialli ɛnso part of the technical team edema Italian national team no apapa no etumi esi form say nei enya de obeto akoso aye ejuma cancer bi ni ade edodo panyini ya enti we esi form enya de ejuma no obetumi aye FIFA World Cup Women's World Cup a ebetumi akoso enso ewo sama jum ni mu a no impenifo de kwato FIFA enim say anka wo mo hwe enim say wo mo so 21 women squad wo mo di bewre mu anase 26 no say ye kwa World Cup no FIFA de na nimbre mu no 23 but say no oye ni 26 and ana women's World Cup no so no wo mo de kwada in FIFA sanka nei FIFA nso be hwem na wa ye no 26 women squad enso e de ama wom ana nei FIFA say dabi mundruwo mbema ya de a emma mo ne yendi ntumi nye peda enti no mo nko 23 na bibia ento enye kamanti FIFA enso e de sa proposal no aba beto Okoman radio ha yen das binesi han ode aba betum se twetwere de wa wo pese wo hu bia no ba ubenya akwenya na no so wa ba behwe das bin no said ya ene FIFA etebri krata no de aba betum ne dem kama ye ba be ye ne ye de akoto museum na bibia etumi aye kama enti ye beba ne aba be din komo enso e wo fie kakra na nyoma etumi aye kama Ghana Premier League eba be shase adwada ya ochina fie memni kwesi dwo ya ana e shase Accra Sports Stadium enya available ada because of festive season ayewum ana say festive month ayewum no Christmas unim say du bia dia we enye news bia but I think say aye he so no enye news e ya dia wo mo de yenda entie nei Accra Sports Stadium no enye kra say Wizkid show no a went to me amba no asɛ no kra basa sanso ana ye hwɛ nim sɛ NDC weekend yi mu a Saturday o se kwesiada NDC nso no National Delegation Congress enso ɛwɔ hɔ internet sɛ enye available wo mu efiri wa Shatawale enso any medical enso betumi abo show on the 25th of December enso ɛwɔ hɔ intenya ade astewa ebe ya available to our clubs sanso ana ye wia on the 31st 6 days time no Pastor Chris enso hwɛ nim sɛ ono so the 31st night ebe hye so ewa Accra Sports Stadium the Nations Wembley enti ye wia ansa na efe maintenance wo ma ba ye edua grass ni nyina ama nyoma sese ne de aya anwea Accra Sports Stadium turf no pitch ne so no aya anwea mfutuo nko a ana ewo so enti before won ba ye edua grass ni bi aye bibia ne de ye hwe nim se anye hwe kra early anase middle of February ebetumi aye ready enti Accra House of Folk de ntempa wo mo e de aba ba tuga hwe nim se Accra House of Folk ebesi wo mo akan ni nyina home matches ro wo mo ka akobo Cape Coast wo mo ekwa akobo Cape Coast eno so ene kakra yedi ni nyina enso ede eba etiabema abadwafo akwaba na yede nkomotwetwe no nso no etumi ahya ase yebema abadwafo akwaba na yede nkomotwetwe no nso no etumi ahye ase ewa hanom na before then ubetumi afre ekasimadu na yasori dwumedi no so a obefre aba na nso waba ba kire wadwen afa nioma yede egu aponso ni nyina 0551 667755 0551 667755 0551 667755 ubetumi afre edi aba na nioma nso no etumi kama sanso ana ubetumi edi WhatsApp message enso etumi afa line we ya so WhatsApp message no ubetumi edi afa line we ya so 0551 667755 ana say 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 eno WhatsApp call and WhatsApp messages but we be free ekasima dunia sorry 0551 667755 ajwa
Krobea
bibia e fine
na me adom bibia boko na wo e
ovim wo soro pa
yeah bibia e cool
ovim wo soro pa
yes because I am so upset your league ba be chance here and what the hell are we seeing
adwa ho ye
me ho ye
great solo
Krobea
bibia e fine
oba de adom bibia boko
o night no ko ye
bibia boko ya me adom
baby girl ho ye
obi a ho ye
great apena sempa
o kra ha weekend ube hu no
oh okay apena sempa
oh okay
akwanobia
yeah
Rose akwanobia
yeah
Oh, okay. Yenchian.
Yeah,
Yenchia rules are konobia. Or a fine pa. Or heavy. Every year.
Krobea.
Family mine. Bibi I fine.
Yankopon adom.
Ebusia.
Bibi obi ahuye. I hope so huye de.
You were in Quadi.
The Yankopon
I just say. Obadi ayadum. Obadi ayadum arakwa. Well, yen share the route to the grand finale. FIFA World Cup no ejabo. Sese yehu 2 teams a womo ekako compete, ekako pre. Ahini kese a eda this tournament is no. Argentina any the defending champions France and ekwako remu. 3rd and 4th place Morocco etumi ayade Africa womo any Croatia and ebeka pre bronze medal no enso ewo ho. Yenhwe simabeye enumenum ewo the route Okoman ofla hot of Indian so yedimu a ba bedu sabri se yenso yenhu teams a wo mo kọ yen abo ejuma pa yenyina yen abo ejuma every year yenhwe 5 minutes fashe kwan ni mu betumi di sima ba kon ahwe the route a ba be remu ayengenya the 2 grand finalists wo mo ka kopie mu apre the ultimate trophy no yenhwe
Krobea medase any akwenye inchi Okoman etifo. Looking at the route from the start of this World Cup, Yenya France and Argentina final. In the side of Argentina, we realize their first game against Saudi Arabia, Omulusuye. So coming back stronger in their last 2 matches, we need a top group, a progress to the round of 16. In the side of France, Omulusuye on first 2 matches, Elusi against Tunisia in their last game, and for that one we realize Omulusuye on second teamer. To me, I realize that second team was a teamer. Even they couldn't even put 2 or more passes together. So that loss now Omulusuye to Tunisia, and now it was worth it. From there now, we do round of 16. Round of 16, so you on modern ball. France progress to the quarterfinal. Yesterday we saw a very good game against Morocco. One thing I realized in the game against Morocco was Fernandes is the first player in this World Cup to score an open play goal against Bonu. Because this World Cup, Morocco conceded 3 goals. That was 2 yesterday and 1 against Canada. With the 1 goal they conceded against Canada, no, it was an own goal. So Fernandes yesterday in the 5th minute of the game between Morocco and France, and was the very first goal Bonu conceded. So we realize France born homoding some years back World Cup we were defending champions in the very first group stage matches, then they are being knocked out of the World Cup. So they did well not to repeat that record again, and here they are in the final. Argentina, as I also said the last time, all the players born homoding over to me and Cheno Ashe Lionel Messi to equal the records of Maradona for winning the World Cup. So when they are playing, you see them playing as a team. Omulusuye against Saudi Arabia, they came back stronger, scoring Mexico and progressing to the next stage. Next stage, so Omodeng to the quarterfinal, and there they met a certain Holland team. We saw in the second half, say all the matches Argentina they play all the game in the first half, but second half Omodeng our form. So in the Holland game, we realize Argentina take a 2-goal lead, but Holland eba Emma omoko extra time. After extra time, Argentina winning on penalties. It progress equal the semi-final. Semi-final and maybe see Croatia. At that point, we all thought there could be a miracle. Sorry, a miracle. Ebe to me abuama Croatia a progress winning. In the last World Cup, that's last 4 years, Croatia SC Argentina 3-0 at that same stage, that same semi-final. So coming into this game now, we are all hoping there could be a chance for Croatia to progress, because they've met at that same stage before, and that same stage, to me, SC won 3-0. So we thought Croatia and Eda Argentina. So but lo and behold, as I also said, Messi magic, Messi impact, eboa ma Argentina progress n'anim by beating Croatia by 3-0. So we are looking forward to a very good final because you will say all the teams abo homoding on first group matches. Obia we need 2 matches in the group. Ana womulusu mako ana wa afema abebedu mpempensu we. Mimi when say it's only France coming to this final and only more extra time but Argentina they played an extra time against Croatia Netherlands. So yes, Mimi will say France team is a team they've really come far and they have really done well in dealing with games within 90 minutes. So we are hoping forward to see a very good final coming Sunday, Krobea.
Okay. And no, a free iron short, simple cry with Dimbrano so time on come on. And Tisana, and they were to me, aye, Auntie Obama Casadi and Nena, Adwayanko Yentio. We take on World Cup no so far.
World Cup no
Yes. Yeah, share World Cup no na yaba. Later Ebeba, I think say local stories and so.
Okay.
Yeah, share World Cup no the roots. I ne yababenya 2 finalists one more baby compete for the ultimate trophy.
It's been a great journey starting from day one that Qatar played, and you say the downfall of a man is not the end. I'm talking in terms of Argentina now in the quarterfinals. So many Saudi neighbor first and almost share and Uncle holiday. So Argentina no say they had things up their sleeves. They had a plan to get towards the final, and Mama could do final. We saw Brazil; they came into the picture. We thought, this time I for one predicted Argentina, Brazil, France, and I think Croatia. Yes, so the big guys I thought they would be in the final, but that's football, And this Qatar 22 has showed us tactically, if you're not good as a coach, you shouldn't come on board. If your goalkeeper don't even bother, because it do baby the goalkeepers that save the teams and their countries. Another thing too is first half I said both teams steady each other. About second half, that's when you see change, and that's when you see the tactic and the and players they just came to show themselves. African countries, I think 5. The only surviving African team, it's Morocco. And then they did their best playing against the defending champions there. Make us say, this is their first time we do that stage. And let's talk about the Asian teams too. Talk of the South Korea, Japan also my idea. Looking forward to the next World Cup. No, meaning some penalties and Japan so your mind be don't think say that's the second half for Moba Ombesho or Mo coach so another great coach pa. Then the USA Subemu or Betri Bikakra. I was impressed with the USA because USA the basketball number they've invested in the team. The likes of Liberian president Nebabema or Besho Bibi Kakra say USC they've really invested in their team. And Krobea, talking of France, they are the defending champions and almost we will fire and could do a whole into these 2 teams, we are Sonny Moama if the boys from the men. See, these 2 great teams, all we want to see on the final is great football and whoever the trophy to me, no matter the trophy belongs to both teams. Just like you hear one winner pay, you have 2 winners. You hear one winner pay. Until maybe them say these 2 teams they fought very hard. They know what they want, and on the day, I think it's the players that will gel. Tactically, both coaches are okay. They are great. Say players, and on jelly. Say Messi, now you between the shoulders to take Argentina higher. Fine. Say Mbappe during Nasi Fosu fine because all the players in both teams are perfect players. So I'm just looking forward for a great game on Sunday.
All right. And Ajwa and also it to me I quick. Why a quick pa. Solo, share the journey so far.
I can't come here this year. I Saturday.
Check ebro. Why? And what's always system no.
Pa, home. Saturday World Cup.
Snappy kakra.
Krobea that's Minchia na Minchia for na hwefo ehwe yen. Facebook and afi taxi drivers say adwuma fa kwan use ne yenchi omo for Okoman in the agro kra and Brad Peter a taxi driver I say commentary ni de e wa no tie enti yenchi ano na yanka ncho so mo nkoso anso nti Okoman e wo eye area hanom what cap ne de from the start ni na yeah hwe say ni Qatar be host tournament in the ava because it do time I be the crown voting ni do so no yenya FIFA president our babo ntebe ka kire say yemfa blame yemfa mbono because ono na wura mu ema secretary be mu ansa na Qatar enya that hosting right no and yenya European countries you know obi to say England omu na babo ntebe ka say Qatar omu host tournament na ya dia ebeboa nti omu de omu nya yanka FIFA njimfi omu nsem na nka enko be foforo but still Qatar for me many years on be and no stadiums are the host tournament no na show say o my crowd stadium ye the container and ye the air condition abubomu nyina including the park na crowd players ni gina so no e do be air condition nyina finchen ba natural say yes Qatar for no my ready kroketwa but omuji tumu ekun okoden and am pass omu host tournament no ama ababedum pempen so we started here on first match on boy e didn't see that second World Cup on to me qualify kura nko bi da but omu yere omu ho boy e ma madembo no konkan do omo to me qualify from group ni mu de but omunya player from Qatar team ni ma onya World Cup goal and so to me e de mo omo e no keke no kura no e show mu nkura nti maka se dwumede na nkasa de e kama ohwe amanye baye na obi an hye dem begunu ne hu anim ase Canada no omo win match bi ade but omo so kire se omo aba tournament and omo hihye goals ni bia despite say want to me win a game but omo hihye goals ni bia and omo modern no ko kan na ene omo kodu suro emra me kawa say World Cup no ye what tournament bia ne clubs any teams bia tournament ni ni mo nti wo ko UEFA Champions League o bo Real Madrid o be bo Bayern Munich Barcelona o be bo Manchester United no o be bo AC Milan e dey ka Champions League o be bo sa clubs no ye ka Champions League e dey Chelsea be bata ho because all two trophies South no akwa World Cup the same thing o be kan say o might be to say Uruguay Argentina France Germany sa countries no World Cup ni mo mo enti emu bia na akwa kodu finals no omo matemo ena di omo duo to make us say World Cup na dey I have fantastic tournament Qatar for the first time I host BBC and so ho kroketo ano matumi agina muti yemmo mpanyifo abaso na yemmo Qatar man na nkasa and so abaso Saturday nyame adoma finals game ni dey e be sheda na yawura mu ye.
All right, enti eno ana no Paradise and so to me I am snappy said ya yebenya bre to me aba hwe yenso yanga yema munsem yema munsem papa uremu Facebook Kofi Ajman Black Man there but good afternoon watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra. Okay, yeah, that was say so o share Jumedie no sanso na Starboy so they are watching the show live and clear at Ahafumem Airport. Okoman Global Sports, no size. Congratulations to France for their victory against Morocco yesterday. Greetings to Philip Etimetim, Tactics Man, Oyibo Boateng, and my lovely father. No joke. And also any message at Starboy at the free Facebook and so at the about to me the WhatsApp message and so to me at the bar 0551 667755 0551 667755 WhatsApp message. I can't do near sorry Jumedi no so a you be a homatro for now so to me afre and so at the beam na to me aje kama. Well, solo my main shots here free because I think it's one some Erica. Yenhwe Ghana Premier League no Joada ya ye sha se preparations ahoboa anyhow yem pitches no that no supon any other Tamale kra no we share the nature of Tamale Sports Stadium ni sisiana and also very bad and other sentence a ye nyina ye hwe enimu se ebetumi yenya that good shape no for our football because and ye nyina ye hwe se infrastructure any good pitches and ebetumi amaya bobo ni ye etumi e produce talent a wo so ebebo our senior national teams no any the juvenile level Yenshene, the state of Accra Sports Stadium now you another festive month, and when we say every month biano, and I say every year biano, sadwe enye fufro, enti penifo aji womo stadium, enti clubs Great Olympics, Accra House of Folk, Accra Lions and the likes, womo enkope venue a womo besi akan so until say ye be festive season and sana womo aba be dua grass because you see the state ni de osha yemfuturu nko an enwa ana aba be gu pitch so. Yenshare, how prepared are we ahead of the resumption of the Ghana Premier League? Yebe shasiye Juada AB ana ye shasiye match day 9.
Okay, Krobea am that say Ziggy tia me the Accra Sports Stadium a picture kra na me dey send nti yo a onfen to so ma me na etiefo a almost so share yen wo Facebook na o ma hu say ne Accra Sports Stadium say near Mattie and so on. Ziggy, now they are told they are my. Krobea, yes, leg in the ye break here because of World Cup ninety, and the Abua clubs nibi, especially Krobea Asante Kotoko. Now it will be enemies of Kotoko defending champions. Now Anka start season now. The more conkai, but ye who send ya now almost the same coach from a Ogum Ekofa coach Izabo and so to me the number Zabo by Africa Kotoko and from more started leg so on and off or we near now the following week Obelusa and Obedraw now we in Shaden to us and clubs beat say Kotoku Royals any or more or normal so about from Nina answer to me abo Mutimeka say but now the clubs no be to me CC no here Kerala United ebiano so ma ton team no omo da 14th position our leg log no so Kerala ni mo omo e Ghana Premier League no e do baby na top 4 omo fight and so e top 4 no so no more the money ya there e was so but this time no man ko yie because of say owner no and so we in the year 2018 Mr. David Bizegrios nidine modu ti ononkwa na be kai abo yes owu year 2018 naska some aye bibi kakra de amaka like team no and now minority leader Honorable Aruna Indriso aba be fa team no wa beto team no report ameteten say obayi team ni de fa nyina ase e de akọ the region but say edin no obe maintain ne de no ne de ya asam foforo enti make us a break World Cup break no etumi aboa clubs no ebi had to folks say coach ba foforo no now on share down finding the rhythm e wo team ni mo ye now on share then the core of the team no and firm how to folk and me gidi say break ni by no omatumi a prepare enti yan hope say next week no matches na sha say clubs no betumi abo mo modern Kotoku Royals apam new coach Dreams FC apam new coach Intercho say yes omani abre so mo also bagam nim aba benya that winning mentality no and so leg nim ti make us say break na ye koya ne de aboa clubs no and so we be pa and e betumi aboa ma leg no so ye be hu how e be si akwa afa and NSA akoso baako mienu miensa enan me kan ya manim ho bebre omama yahu say kromu ha na yete no ono a kromu ha na yete no omo mfa ye local league enya hwe ye ti kromu ha de ye ho toto English Premiership say ni omo ye na ye bi edu ba bi kromu calendar na ye kope e de ye league wo kromu ha EPL unko Stamford Bridge unko St James Park unko Etihad Sports Stadium Old Trafford Goodison Park a match ewo ho no maka so mo de ama concert for emebo mu nwom enye om concert obreyi ni yes how unko La Liga enko ko hu se Camp Nou na Barcelona for the ama say yembo yekopa stadium foforo
most of the clubs Europe no one private stadium a one use into I know they are banging to me ba home be
yo mate uko Spain I am fan of national teams no ball
is it yes is it
I am Madrid
yes and
Barcelona hɔ a.
Yes.
Enti ɛne na
And I know.
Mate, wokɔ England a Wembley Sports Stadium. So mo bɔ you can say Karen Cup finals. Any FA Cup finals hɔ. What to say? Omo de hɔ ama concert da.
Ɛyɛ aban wɔn mo dem.
Me dabi agem wɔ hɔ na meka. Match wɔ hɔ. Meba mo na mo meba. Match wɔ hɔ. What da? Match wɔ hɔ. Ɛni tie bɛka sɛ ye two game na kɔhyɛ baabi wo frɔ. Ɛsio ye nya national team no bo bɛbɔ ball ɛwɔ kurom ha.
6 months.
Ɛnu ti ye tu ɔmo ɛde kɔ stadium foforɔ. Hwɛ obroni ɛde ni stadium ma han a ɔbɛka tapage no so kama.
Exactly.
Na wayɛ na adeɛ. Anaasɛ
Wo bi wɔ ha saa. Ye ni bi.
Ɛyɛ common sense. Wei.
Ɛyɛ
common sense.
Untumi mfa the state of Wembley said ayet no wɔn change even the turf no wɔn.
O kan wo so ɔmo sesa. Ghana yɛ ntumi sesa ti yɛ ntumi yɛ maintenance.
Yɛn national sports stadium
na yɛ wɔ. Yɛ maintenance yo. Kurom ha yɛ ayɛ ti. Krobea wɔn ma me time. Ma me nkan me nkɔ. Ama me time.
Time no dia wo ba te du baby a.
Wura mu a. Who did me time nim.
Ɛno dia wo enye wo na obetumi a kyerɛ sɛ me do time. Be edu baby a wo sɛ me indirect wa no dia me alright sɛ me.
Krobea.
Yeah.
National Sports Authority mpanyim for Professor Peter Chumesi na wo da no no. Wa ya ma ya kan. Still now papa no gusu ye nto wo kyerɛ ye sɛ ye mbo na ye wɔ krom ano. Ombu. Yeni me prefer say clubs ni omo private stadiums. How to folk ni bi afa na oye bi. Accra Lions ni bi. Accra Lions be bi owo ye training pitch. Anya de minimum ho e wa boko bi side. E won kan. Oni stadium a was so akan. Great Olympics ni bi. Enti mo me prefer say Accra Sports Stadium one omo bobo. Date say ye be bo league. Eto patch am say Ghana Football Association mo date a ye de be resume ana omo ya we mo ji sika no eye maintenance bia na mo de ye ma side pitch no say ehon so na players bobo ye yan so say ye pe quality players akoye national teams no ma akọ perform ye age trophies de ma ye national teams no enso ye gusu ti krom ha e na stadium na ye besi so aka no yes say no dey ma concert for. Yes, I know. Edema concert. Stadium no see you baby a pack car kakra da ho. E dan enti na ho no mo kra no mom tumi nye concert no fanfa ho. Ye wo stadium so bebre wo krom a Cape Coast Sports Stadium see e mo leg ni bi wo ho. Enti adenti eni enka se NDC for Congress yom be ye omko ye Cape Coast.
Na se Cape Coast nso ye o teams e ho nso wo mu use for the Premier League. Kotoku Royals e ho na oboni game. And e ho nso ye eno nso ye national stadium. Enti no baby no matter baby a wo mu be choose bia ne de wo mo na wo mo control right. Enti na enei House of Africa akoboni games wo ho. Games a mo nim se mu use Accra Sports Stadium na e your mind ne de no. Mo use no this time round. And the clubs are also aware say every first season yes so
na te dia omo mark akontan ye adwuma omo bebu akontan kyerɛ yen because akoso ye hu akontan bia ɛna ye hu maintenance bi omo ye wo stadium wo to ye se ye renovation obekɔ no nkongwa no ye de paint be paint ho foforo ye wie ya renovation na wie yensiesie hwe National Sports Authority mpanyufo omo di Ghana fo hwambo eno mama ye hu se stadium na omo ye no omo ya mbi di stadium na nso se ye de bebo ball nemom ye de ma Shatawale ni Stone Boy no ye nka se e ma Stone Boy ni Shatawale nko ye ni show e wo stadium nemom se ye bo ball a ball ni ti the stadium ye si ye ball ni ti ena stadium no yesi ye enti omunja no omo ball na yenja na ye this stadium ma Shatawale ni Stone Boy ye de ma asofo no so sofo to tax teams ni to tax more than asofo ni to asofo be na okromo to tax
it is never true because concert our mu ye any senior money. There's nowhere football fetch the NSA no much money than that of the.
Oh, this guy league now, but the players teams need to ya.
Yes, teams need to ya. Teams need to ya. Even time my teams need to ya.
And they won't get teams this side. Yeah, first stadium name Mamum was so be Obian Company Stadium. Simple.
No, the NSA is not putting any pressure on any club. Say Benjamin Stadium face here can you? Rather the clubs, you know, and a vie for the national stadium to be used by one more club.
Shania Stadium now.
Yes.
Shania Stadium now.
So
a national stadium. National stadium.
Yes.
Once I say National Sports Authority, stadium be a Ghana built by a government.
Yes.
And NSA Nation. It's mena Adenia Media. Also a football club open stadium abe okay. Bosumi be ube to say. Untia match day be obo home game be.
I
agreement and say obo match day be a home game be na. Zika benyano. Yeah, the percentage say. Also have a percentage say.
I saw my agree.
Yes. Into game no more.
And do buy so catch some me body do baby. Me
beba. Yeah, more game ye break here me boa. At the NDC for any whiskey make your date known to the NSC.
Yes.
Say that say whiskey babe bo show. Omo we are 18th and I say 17th 18th NDC for so babeji ye we are 25th so Shatawale ni some boy bebo show so ho. It's 3 weeks we there clubs no mu nya mo ko pe baby.
Ye we are Pastor Christian so beba.
Omo babe ye New Year.
Yes.
It's hard to folk Kotoku hard to folk Accra Lions Great Olympics Bongo pe baby
grass na say
metie me say another different issue another different issue
maintaining no I no na efe ye beba so
after sense ampen for we na say entities we atues carry am NSA no mo we show na it's up to the NSA
sure
so ba maintaining pitch no area ma teams so ba be je han no e dey abon ball. That's where say NSA anya saade na you come in and talk about it.
And when you na walk.
But solo say no case whiskey na bebo show. Page na say me boa. It's NSA nko.
Yeah, what leg no.
Me ba o say enya leg na.
Club no ko leg no way.
Club no ni stadium o rent me property.
When I say we choose baby.
O na rent me madio.
Now when you
and what about rent no oka kire ne say.
They are where.
Oka kire ne say. Match be rent.
Yeah, the be say program be say ebeba.
They are where the clubs are where. Is this
rent now okay. Rent now clubs na engine whole season o because ugina whole season you can't pay
enye season
it's an agreement
match day
home game bia no
70%
say percentage NSA say yakọ ho na say yakọ away team no that's the agreement into more game ni and pitch na now there be me dey man han na magis I am a property you can't tell me what to do with it
o dey man han your property o dey man han pitch no and no na
I mean property na page na say ah over board na I say that's why you complain
fancy clubs na mo ball ni bi national team na your club there government na
national team no be ball na page
national team no be ball na page na
oh na you say ba be say
that is where I bet to me
you mo so mo say your pictures na and no na say mo say your
country say omo de man han wi omo nsiesie
anya bia so mo siesie ni ye Accra Sports Stadium mo kwa pictures Accra Sports Stadium mo kwa gas no yes year away yes how many times
Kumasi yes in 3 within 1 year
yes
Kumasi that's fine Kumasi pitch
papa can you 3 times within a year okay come on now you want club ya nyam yen ni ko mien ka no ko yen pay for you do baby a you ma bi omo ye ni ye
say you catch it
say you catch it etia edu baby etia
ana wo say wutu agina mu afo
etia
na wo ye den na
yes clubs no be pop stadium but the see na wo ni stadium na o no o facility no and wo use no o facility no and o use no there o mo bra pass
eje ma yenti o Adwa my yenti will take quick take on it na yembefa course no 0551 667755 0551 667755 ubetumi afre as I said there ene adwa ekasa no ubetumi afre na so wetumi atre wadwen 0551 667755
short na wakasa why
yes
Krobea nobody no human being should blame Black Stars. Say Black Stars players ko bobola mu yom yemi mbo mo mine. On mine kasa ye team no. Our leaders don't think of us. They don't think of a Kronan Kasa. Into Black Stars, however they play the ball, they should play the ball. Yeah, from that's what Jim no Bokra, my name Bo, because why a Kronia would cry? Don't think of us. Yeah, but about ball, you use the stadium as what? Seat match, whatever. You are not thinking of us, but they do a Qatar. You all fly and go there. And you league yan ediko kata.
Okay.
And you league yan ediko kata.
Adwa ma minfa ofrefui wa. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Udini baby akasa free.
Krobea de wuni.
Oh, fire.
Krobea ba.
Jogum.
Na muso de wani house wo se de park no stadium wani ha no wo se de. House wo si yake wo si stadium man ke sin wo nti ko pe bi yo do wo mbo why na wo nya ye na ye ya de.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. I know a fire. I don't know so to me afraba in the other or non so nsem to me a day aba eje to aso.
Me say this is the same league. Uni Liga, so you can't compete in the all the things in the world. This is the league. So I don't know see your home. But me, ever since I bought a tournament and the government say, obey use that pitch for something, so we should go elsewhere. We became the laughing stock in the whole world. Almost say any stadium. That was me say, if you are a player in Ghana, nobody has the right to tell me, say, do they fight for the country? Krobea, me pesa me kasa bebre.
Okay. And every year we take on the state of NSA issues, you know. I say one more only pitches, you know. The clubs are one more ever Ghana hano. The clubs, every single club will be okuta or yusu a buying property, no. Are aware of say when it gets to this festive month, festive season, no, definitely we are 90% sure say enya dia stadium one more be high. That is why stadium and I say the various centers no yemfa high for a month and I say a year no wakasi weje busumi sika enti e wose o ma me perform one more fan high a year or a month. So what I say a year every day into we bogeman na me jemiska enemi say ne member mankasa me di yemi bibi. Yes, into no my enti o.
Krobea made all the time make us say we obia mfa nsa benkum nche na jefi. And talking of the Ghana Premier League in anthem name the papa say this is our own and for that matter we have to cherish it. Sebio yen league nya obi mfia bonten emma me league ni yemayen. And one of the thing etumi boa ama yen league na yefe yen pitches. Sometimes watching watching Ghana Premier League on telly very bad. It's very abysmal in the sense that Oshepa say media men at home doing everything to make the coverage very nice, but Oshe environment and the nature of the pitch now, it's very bad in watching on telly. You know, me looking at this state of Accra Sports Stadium, and me say NSN they didn't help us. In the sense that Sisia Akokoye impromptu. So what if the venue Accra has to folk has planned say Sisia Accra Sports Stadium yenim say a venue for home matches. A venue for home matches. Maybe as you said a contractor basis on Marco contract and wakasi ABR this part ABR you are paying this amount to cover this duration. So what if say the duration I had to focus week 9 of their matches was part of this duration.
They don't pay. They pay just after the game, and only your revenue amount. I will be your gate process, and no now 70%.
So Krobea say Matiasia say answer na heart bebe kokobo match no okobo otua ina answer na what hand over pitch no e man say obetumi de akokobo mo ana say den
pitch no available na NS no eni dwuma bia o de pitch ne be ya eya na ne has wo game a has kobo a obo game no wia
no
gate process sika be ba no ana otua mu 70% e de ama NS.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So for now let's say what if say Accra to folk and so called the new venue are almost say now we are not using Accra Sports Stadium again, so we are going to the new venue. Now we could do another new venue, so Krobea yen pay for mo yen krama yen football na attractive.
Like, all jokes aside, you know,
yen football na attractive.
It is very bad because I come here and say I idea say about the norm say every festive season biano
and I say
any given day bia want to me stadium no fit clubs anything and they are very bad. Sure,
Krobea, Mameka Semcho. For we to have good players here. Sometimes me to meet na say those players now almost started from the scratch ya omunya agency be the one kwa bonting should say anka almost na Ghana ha would we have seen that talent in them in the person of Kudus and Co sanka almost na say send ye in terms of your facilities near there sanka omo ball e your facilities bi aye wo hanum so ya anka me say anka ebinim kra by now injury kra ma wo career na and the potency in them anka ye hu sesi ano anka akashe nti ye mpanyimfo they should sit up and help us promote our game.
Yen quick be simamienu mami. We no yes, I think say young can a lot, but yen clubs where they find themselves. Young clubs are one more young clubs are one more e wahano no yen nyina yen nim say financially no man ko yen fama. Financially no man ko yen fama. Enti and now clubs esan from Accra comfort zone baby a training pitch will be our free or aqua will be close transportation any san your money na say baba here if say has to focus home game now or spend it let's say 1,000 cedis home gamer now has to folk would have to spend 3,000 Ghana cedis because away from home share the effect on edu say
Krobea Anfield here Info Stadium by Old Trafford, Stamford Bridge, Wembley and wine there. And see, what you say? Oh, there's no concert on the ball landing. It's a Liverpool gamer. The government and as on the corner all ball concert makers me ko Anfield me ma Liverpool mobile unless the Liverpool na they among say any game money na mo fanbo Wembley omo ball rugby was so ade che no mo Champions League it was Barcelona I think the one game bizarre and even Tottenham Hotspur Stadium in 2019 Barcelona ne Tottenham ball Champions League ko she pitch in senate omo the year show ade che no mo Champions League game also Meba na line to cry was to cry also. Yes. Accra Sports Stadium. Government there. Tie. Accra Sports Stadium ya bind there. Kumasi ya bind there. Cape Coast Tamale ni ya bind there. NSA ya bind entity. On no share star pages no so and a stadium no so. NSA say. Asat unim say NSA nya we. Oma babon say beka omo ya we so mu resume league. Unim so ya oma beka. The problem is so don't blame the NSA. As of November, me no me nyina nim say we skip bebo show e wa Accra Sports in December. As of November, ye break league ni no. Na nyina so nim say NDC be program e chena and as a Saturday. As of November, no ma show mo date. So you do want to tell me say Accra has to folk and Accra Lions no great olim. Omo nim say weekend di omo show omo program Accra Sports wana. Omo nim. And it's that inform me omo. Say mu ko break no. Ane muko break there. Now so the stadium no. Ebia last weekend, this weekend, next weekend, the following weekend no be no. Yere man crofo, yere man high. It's mo what is as far Bible complaining that? Or after that issue we buy say a man for the issue weekend. Well, no. Cape Coast because they can't complain. Unisa that's you can't complain because high will be what only property and other man high. Who to by day. And as a time babo match no home game no ana utua obi so aba beje say okay me utua et say bidding and as we lobby for the bidding auction can is also be 10,000 we so be 20,000 aya ton kan man no be 10,000 no ni buy na ba ko share info na Great Olympics na info na Kotoku Royals ni buy be ko Accra Sports Stadium new 500 and this year program e be ma obi we tena page no and this be to more than amount even Accra Great Olympics and the whole season
I win 10 times cry
the whole season Sika Great Olympics NSA in and this be more than Whiskey more than that
Okay.
But I'm saying say the problem they say national team no cry affecting they say tie national team Kumasi or Cape Coast or betuma kwa akọbọ.
All right. Ebrason say yede dwumedie ni nyina enso betumi ede aba na ewie ye stage aha no mo studio ha ehiti pop National Sports Authority NSA Professor Chumesi ono anoye chairman enei o say Accra Sports Stadium no wo mo de bebo shows entanya dia Ghana Premier League wo mo a wo mo juso no betumi abaso executive producer General Kofi Anson Bafo HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman Adwoa Opokua Sanso Ana Solo Paradise Efriye ene AK enso eboaye Sanso Ana DJ Vibes a producer Ana Feno DJ Zigibi eboayama live streaming of the Okoman Global Sports need to me at talk also Facebook and so any YouTube mijinemu etinemu edima AK as your host midin Krobea Asante sorry so ama jumedi awodrona and so etumi ato aso good afternoon.